Hi guys, nakapag-order na po ba ang lahat sa Smarts application ng GFH Street Restaurant? Kung hindi pa po guys, ang link ng Smarts application namin nasa comment section na guys. And thank you so much all to our regular customer in the Smarts application guys all over Ajman UAE guys. We hope that you always like and enjoying the food of your GFH Street Restaurant. And we're calling out all our regular customer in Talabat guys. Deactivate temporarily ang ating Talabat application guys. So please download this Smarts application so you can order and deliver your favorite food combination at your GFH Street Restaurant. And guys, good news. Malapit na ma-activate ang sariling home delivery service ng GFH Street Restaurant. Ang link guys ng sariling delivery service namin guys nasa comment section na guys. 5% discount pag umorder kayo through WhatsApp or landline number 05544304003 guys, or landline number 0673444864 or 0652922423 guys. We deliver happiness guys. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Happy eating and enjoy watching to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.